Hey, what's up, good people? I am out here in the country, just enjoying some time out here with my in-laws. Listen, if you're new to the page, go ahead, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Let's talk about crypto for a minute, specifically Bitcoin prices. It dropped down. What did it drop down to, like 1750s? And remember, I showed you guys some levels of support. We're holding at 2000. 2000 was a level of support. Then I also showed where if you broke down, there was another strong level of support. I believe it was like 16,750-ish, and then 14,000 under there, and then like 10,000 under there. And so we're going to look out for these levels of support. It did come down to the 1750s briefly, bounced off of that and went back up. But there's a lot of things going on with margin calls. You know, you got Michael Saylor, and his company. When you have big whales like this that are, people that have triple leveraging, that are high leverage in the Bitcoin, and they are literally forced to sell, whether it's a margin call or triple leveraging or double leveraging or 10x leveraging, and you got all of this forced selling. It's not the reality of Bitcoin, so you got to be careful because I believe Bitcoin hasn't seen the bottom yet of this crypto winter, right? And so if Bitcoin goes down, so does the rest of the crypto market in general, right? And so what I want to tell you guys is to be careful, just because it bounced back up over the last, 28, 24, 48 hours, to just be careful. Me personally, I still would not, NOT, be buying in like this is a hot dip buy. I'm DCAing, dollar cost averaging, and I'm dollar cost averaging daily with everything but Bitcoin, because I have my positions in Bitcoin. I shared with you guys what I'm doing with my Bitcoin, okay? And remember, this is not one size fit all. You have to do what works for you. So I'm going to stress this one more time. You need to be looking at taking long-term positions, 5 to 10 years, a minimum of 5 years. But me, I'm 10 years. I plan on turning some of my crypto over to my kids. Now you have the question, do you believe that crypto will survive all of this thing that's going on with them trying to regulate it? And there is extreme amount of fear, even with the recession and upcoming recession with the stock market, right? Even though we're entering into a recession with the stock market, the fear in crypto is much higher. You got brokers that are, holding your money. You can't cash out. They're not proving themselves to be strong. You got USDT, and you got other coins that's supposed to be bagged one for one, but they're bagged by other crypto and not the dollar, falling apart. You have all of these things going on that is just accelerating the fear in crypto. Myself personally, I believe crypto is here to stay. I believe it's long term. I believe that after the regulation, it's going to be even more solid, causing institutions to get in, causing the price to go back up. But there's always a big but in the room. We got to wait until crypto winter is over. All right. And that's what I'm going to keep. My message is consistent. I'm not going to change it until things change. So what I'm doing is I am buying daily, and I'm making sure that I'm buying it in small enough bite-sized pieces to last throughout the average length of a crypto winter. Follow? Right. So listen, Stocks with Josh made a video. I am going to leave it. Y'all see I'm in the country. Look at that. See that? When I say I'm in the country, I'm in the country. Stocks with Josh made a video that was quite interesting about crypto, and I'm going to invite everyone to watch it. It's going to be in a box in that corner, and I'm going to invite everybody. It'll either be at the bottom or the top, so just watch the video. I'm going to invite everybody to watch that video because he's showing you how you can establish a strong position in some crypto. And I agree with his outlook on it, and I want you guys to watch that. All right, good people. Hey, this one is going to be extremely short. I'm going to cut it off right there. Make sure you check out my links below. Webull deposit a penny, Moomoo deposit a penny. Webull up to over $12,000 worth of free stock up to, right? And then just look at it when you download it, my link below, and look at all the promotions. Same thing with Moomoo, up to $25,000 worth of free stock. Look at all of the promos, read it for yourself. And we'll see you tomorrow, good people. Hope you're enjoying this day. For those of you that had it off, hey, take some time and just breathe and don't look at your portfolios every 5 minutes, all right? But I just wanted to keep you up to date with what's going on with crypto. And we're just going to keep an eye on it day by day. And then at some point, I'm going to move my stable coin, my USDC, which is backed by the dollar, 1-for-1. I don't believe the hype that Coinbase's file is going away and all of that. I just don't believe in all of that. But you know, I don't have a crystal ball. You do what's best for you. It's not one size fit all. I am long-term investing on my beliefs, right? You do the same. You guys let me know what you think about Bitcoin, please. Do you think Bitcoin is going to go further down, taking down Ethereum? Do you think Bitcoin and Ethereum is going even lower? Or do you think we have seen the bottom? Leave me a comment and watch this video. Peace.